Let's talk advanced. This little bar right here is dynamic. And it is dynamic because I used expressions. You're gonna learn, you need to learn a little bit of expressions if you want to use the checkbox, for instance. You can see here, let's go ahead and opacity, toggle both of these down. You can see it uses a if-then condition. What's an if-then condition? Let me show you. If. So this right here is the format that we want. So the first thing we want to do is set our condition. And the thing that we want to examine is this checkbox. Is it on or is it off? If it's on, which is equal to two equal signs, means equals. If it is equal to on, which is 1, off is 0, do this one thing. What do we want to do? We want to set the current value, opacity, to 0. Otherwise, do 100. You can see here I just flipped it, I just copy and pasted and flipped these two variables, and then boom, it works. Now let's head over to source rectam. That's what makes this background box dynamic. Let's show. It is possible because it just adds the width of this text box to the position of this point here, or this point here. These 2 points control these 2 points here. So I just add them up. If I move it, pow, you can see it's pushing it over there. So we get the width of this text layer and then we add it in. You can see here, take the X position and just do some addition. What layer do we want to take it? This layer here. This is the layer here. How do you get these sweet nulls? What you got to do is select your shape, convert it to a path, and once it's a path, convert the paths into nulls with this little sweet nose. So let's set it over here, the position of the y-axis uses a if-then condition with a source rectangle at time property. And same idea with x position. X position, we want the x position to generally stay in the same spot. Therefore, we use divide. Set the position, x position, using the layer, the width, divided by 2. Okay, because otherwise it'll add like itself hugely. We just want to add it a little bit to keep it within the margins. You know what I mean? Yes, you do. The dynamic MoGraph, not static, always moving, always grooving, always rolling.